All right, so I want to give a 3,000 mile update on the FX35. We'll go ahead and start it up and also show you what I've done to it, and also gonna show the accident damage on it. Let's go ahead and start it up. It sounds like that because it got rear-ended a couple days ago. So I'll show you all that damage in a second. But first I'll just show you what's been done. As you see, the mileage is 163,368. So put over a little bit over 3,000 miles since I got it at the end of March. Okay, on the outside, got the windows tinted. Also added the rain guards. Also changed out the tail lights to the smoke clear ones. And now we'll see the accident damage. Rear bumper scraped. Got a hole and a crack in there. Hole there. And the exhaust is all pushed in and bent. As you can see, the exhaust is bent. So update on it. Right now we're just waiting on insurance they're gonna tow it tomorrow, and they're gonna let me know if it's gonna be either fixable or they're gonna total it out. So not really sure. If I do keep it, then I'll have another update video coming soon. If you want to see more, just like and subscribe.